Hey guys, if you're into Tesla, let's go ahead and buckle in and down because today, April 2nd, 2026, everything's about to flip.
This one's crispy.
Tesla's Q1 deliveries came in at about 358,000 solid, but misses a little bit of estimates, what it was anticipated to do. But forget that. Look, the real bombshell, bruh, is Cybercab mass production starts now. No driver, no wheel, just you chilling while it drives. Look, let's break it down. Why this month changes Tesla forever. Everything's going to change after this. Tesla, the world's EV. What's Cybercab? It's Tesla's purpose-built robo-taxi, sleek two-seater, doors that flip up like falcon wings, and Elon unveiled it last year. But April, that's when Giga Texas starts cranking them out. Hundreds a week, aiming for thousands by year end. Price. How much is that going to cost, Tesla, the world's EV? 30,000 bones. That's cheaper than most new vehicles. And guess what? It earns you money while you sleep. Look at this. Here's a prototype. Rolling out, silver, futuristic, inside, zero controls, just a screen and seats, no pedals. But wait, deliveries dipped. Why? Because Tesla's shifting hard to fully autonomous vehicles. Q1 energy storage hit 8.8 gigawatt hours. I said hours. I don't know what that is. That's huge. And April 22nd, earnings call are probably going to expect robo-taxi updates. Maybe unsupervised FSD, rollout dates, etc. But check Elon out, man. He's ecstatic about this. I mean, he's unveiling stuff. He has crowds going nuts. This isn't just hype anymore, fellas. It's actually going down. Okay? Your Tesla picks you up, it drops you off. Just imagine this, right? And it goes to a Uber style gig that makes you money. No gas, no wear, no pure profit. Competitors like Waymo, eh, Tesla's got the data edge, man, from millions and millions probably to billions of miles, right? FSD is getting ridiculous. It's literally there. I mean, it's pretty much there. Now, people are saying it's safer, but it really is. It's safer than 90% of humans already, right? But what people thought to be sci fi, guys, is now reality. We are about to be in one of these futuristic movies, right? Where your car is literally driving you and doing everything while you're sitting there talking to your friend. And I can't believe it. It's a little mind boggling. I feel like there isn't a lot of people out there paying attention, but things are going to change dramatically in a few years' time span. I guarantee you. But look, Teslas, they're not just cars. It's mobility as a service, man. Stocks are a little volatile today, but long term, this could be 10 times everything. Look, this is the main thing about Cybercab that intrigues me when it comes to people who I think are oblivious to actually what's happening and what's going to happen. It's the fact that a lot of people don't understand that a lot of people argue, "Oh, I don't want a car. I don't trust a car driving me. I don't da da da." Well, I mean, do you think pilots are simply just like landing the planes themselves? Do you think that pilots are flying the plane 24/7 at all times? Yeah, that's pretty much probably where autopilot kind of came from, right? Autopilot. So, with that being said, I do think a lot of people don't realize that they would actually love a car to drive them to where they don't have to deal with anything. And definitely in Las Vegas, where the drivers here are NPCs, but not good ones. I'm talking about pathetic NPCs. Our roads are riddled with mayhem and chaos. Yeah. So imagine FSD all over the street. I guarantee you'd be no traffic, right? You wouldn't have that guy in the far left lane.
It's going 50 miles per hour on the freeway.
Sorry. But yeah, you guys get where I'm going. And I know you guys can relate. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. But what do you think? Are you ready for no driving, no pedals, no steering wheel, and your car just pretty much on autopilot while you're chilling? Drop a comment, man. Let me know if you'd get one. Smash that like and subscribe if you know Tesla's the future.